Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva, all in under 5 minutes. Canva is an amazing tool for creating high-quality visuals, even if you've got zero design experience. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your browser or app. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top. Type in thumbnail and hit enter. This will show tons of ready-made templates designed specifically for YouTube. Now, scroll through the results and pick a template that matches your video's vibe. Whether your video's about gaming, tutorials, or lifestyle, Canva's got you covered. Remember, your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so go for something bright, bold, and on topic. Once you find the perfect one, click it and choose Customize this template to open the editor. This is where your creativity shines. Click on any text area to edit it. Replace the default text with your video's title or a catchy phrase. Keep it short and readable. Bold fonts work best for YouTube thumbnails. You can change the font, color, and size to match your brand. Play around a bit, see what looks great. Next, let's add some personal flair with your own images. On the left side, click Uploads. Here, you can upload screenshots, your logo, or even your face if you use facial thumbnails. Once uploaded, drag and drop them right onto the design. That's how you make it yours. Custom visuals always stand out more than stock ones. Now, take a moment to balance everything out. A great thumbnail has a mix of bold text, clean visuals, and enough space to breathe. Make sure nothing feels crowded and that your main message is easy to read even on a small screen. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for the best quality and hit Download. That's it. Your thumbnail's ready to upload. And there you go. You just designed an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in Canva. With practice, you'll get faster and your designs will look even more polished. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva design tutorials.